Hey, it's Werner, and it's been a couple of times trying to record this episode of Finding Frequency, and therefore you found Finding Frequency, and my name is Werner Puchert. And why am I struggling? Well, first of all, I've drank way too much coffee, and I'm in desperate need of a glass of water, so my pronunciation, there you have it, my pronunciation is not as South African as it should be, or at least it should be more intelligible for you if I have a glass of water. Damn it, I'm struggling. But then also it's been a slow start to the week. Just reflecting on what I'm grateful for. Of course, I've spoken about the fact that I had a great kind of weekend with my family, and kind of the start of winter is kind of upon us. But then again, curveballs abound, because today has been an amazingly sunny day. And I must say, I kind of appreciated the sunshine today. That's probably one of the main extraordinary things of the day. And then furthermore, specifically, I published one of my latest videos on LinkedIn and all the other platforms. It's irrelevant, but I'm super grateful for some of the traction it's getting. It's also kind of my breakout or first piece of content since I took a break after what happened to Jeff, and just deciding to slow things down and take a break and take a holiday and focus on all the important things. So it's good to see something, getting some traction. Of course, it's great when you do something that people react to it. I think that's the important thing. There's a reaction, because I think the worst thing is that if there's no reaction, once again, it's not about the number of reactions or likes and all this kind of social media nonsense. It's to figure out if it kind of resonates with people. And I've had some good feedback and kind of new connections, potential collaborations and conversations that could happen. And I think that's the only thing I'm looking for. Primarily, of course, also looking for ways to kind of be of service. I think that's the word. I mean, it's a difficult thing to talk about, because fundamentally a lot of the work that I'm doing in the content creation space is also marketing, because the other thing that I'm facing now is that because of my slowdown, I've also taken a bit of a knock in the marketing perspective. So that means not a lot of businesses coming in. But that said, slowly starting to do that. But one of my big objectives or dreams is to be able to play a bit more of a role in the mentorship space. And I recently managed to work myself into a new piece of business where I'm playing a bit more of a mentorship role, doing some of the stuff that I really enjoy doing. And I must say, I really enjoy being able to play a part in people's growth, especially with new designers coming into the world. And, if I can play a role to inspire someone and maybe help them along, that's all I want. I think we all get to an age where you say, okay, cool, I've taken a lot. Now it's time to give back a little bit. And, if there's a way that I can give back anything of value, I'm keen to do that. It doesn't have to be, I think the act of doing it and then seeing that you're making impact, that is the reward, of course. End of the day, you still have to pay rent too, right? But that hopefully will play itself out, and we'll have to see. So I'm appreciative of the fact that my video has resonated, but then also that it's kind of a first couple of steps into hopefully new opportunities opening up in a field that I'm really interested in. So let's see. Early days, but then also very early in the start of a new week, with hopefully the next step for me being, and I saw my friend Terry talking about it today, getting into a bit more of a routine. I think that's one of the things that I need to get back, is a routine of exercise, a routine of how I work, a routine of things that I'm going to be doing in the next couple of weeks, because things are a bit all over the place. But that being said, let's wrap this up, because the routine is that I wrap this up, get it published so that you can listen to this.